Cubs, where they will be going ahead and taking that revenge. So it's time for the Cubs that's be going in. But the Navneet with me. Yeah, good evening, Navneet. Welcome. He'll be the right man to start off.
जी नमस्कार नवीन। और आपने जैसा कहा कब्स ने यहाँ शुरुआत कर दी है। पहला रेड यहाँ बाईं तरफ से लगाने के लिए आ गए। पूरे 7 खिलाड़ी मौजूद हैं और इंतजार चल रहा है कि किस तरीके से पैनी नजर से वॉरियर केसी भी देख रही है। वही जयपुर पिंक कब्स के यहाँ पर पहला पॉइंट मिल गया है। यहाँ पर
2 points
नवीन नहीं करना है, वही किया गया।
नंबर 3 and 15 out।
खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ा है वॉरियर केसी को। 3 नंबर और 15 नंबर के खिलाड़ी थोड़ी देर के लिए यहाँ पे किए गए हैं।
Perfect. He just attempted that bonus, but then that converted to be a toe touch, and the dash from that left cover was also not strong. Nice running hand touch attempted there by Sahil Satpal. And nice backtracking skills. Fabulous. What an escape
2 points.
from Putin Kumar.
Number 3
In
and
fact,
33
Putin
out.
Kumar goes off there. That needs a lot of patience. That's what the defense should understand. They should be like fishermen. Now as Puneet Kumar has gone in, once again Sahil gets the first tackle point ever against Puneet Kumar from that left cover. What a lovely dash. It was 4-0 and now this is 4. That has to be supported by numbers for everybody to believe. And as I said, the data partner Kadamba, they have done fabulously well. And I know them from many years. Don't ask me how many. And Navneet, then you will say I'm not 25. As Rachit Yadav was trying to have an hand touch now. Sahil Deswal, come on. Rachit Yadav was trying to just fake attempt. One back kick.
ये डू और डाई। इसी बीच आप डेटा की बात कर रहे थे। डेटा में ये कहा जाता है कि 2 रेड अगर आप एंटी लगाए तो 17 रेड हो जाता है। डू और डाई रेड। साहिल सतपाल यहाँ पे रेड लगाने के लिए आए। 5.5 मिनट के खेल हो गया। 5 खिलाड़ी मौजूद है। साहिल सतपाल, वक्त गुजर रहा है। 15 सेकंड बचे। हाथ को बढ़ाया लेकिन शिकार हाथ ना आया। क्या होता है आखिरी के 10 सेकंड में? वक्त गुजर रहा है और वक्त गुजर जाएगा। साहिल सतपाल यहाँ पर ढेर हो गए हैं और जो डिफेंडर है वो सवा शेर हो गए हैं। यकीनी तौर पे अनिल फिर से एक बार यहाँ पे और पहले 10 मिनट में। और ये डेटा मुझे बहुत पसंद है नवीन। 24% पॉइंट आते हैं पहले 10 मिनट में और वहां पर आप देख रहे हैं 67% और 62%। मतलब जब इंजन गर्म हो जाता है, जब आप नई गाड़ी खरीदते हैं ना, तो कहा जाता है तेजी में मत चलाइए और उसके बाद इंजन शायद मक्खन जैसा पकड़ लेता। वही सेकंड हाफ में देखने को मिला है।
Yeah, now this is a good dash. He does not come out there and pressurize the team. This is free mind se kilo, khulle hoke kilo. That's okay. That's what it is. Right, do or rate. Most important that they get a point. No, Dipanshu Khatri says, Puneet, you're all mine. Nice ankle hold. And the timing now was even better. And he got a little support as well from Sahil Deswal, his captain. Look at this. After that ankle hold, Sahil Deswal does not need a support on that mistake that's going in. But how can that be corrected? That is really important. You know, see now in a do or die raid, Anil has gone in, not Sahil Satpal. That's very good. There is a bit of an opportunity now for Anil to get a point, and he gets it. He gets it. This is the first correct do or die raid point for the Cubs. And see, when I say something which is not wrong, right. And in this world of criticism, everybody just wants to criticize. And nice dash from Sahil Deswal. Brilliant. And the captain's doing well. And see, in a do or die raid when Anil went, the Cubs have inflicted an all-out.
बेहतर हुआ।
out. Bonus point. Warriors KC.
Yeah,
Raider out
Warriors
1
KC
point.
gets that
Jaipur
bonus
Pink Cubs.
point because Sumit Rathi had come in from the bench. And the ankle hold was once again executed to perfection. And now see, they are going in to inflict the all-out, the Cubs, in the revenge match. Bonus, yes, and Sahil Deswal's big dash. And support from Himanshu. Yeah, the covers. Good combination. It was always Surendra Nada from that left corner to go into the pursuit. And he never used to have a count on the number of raids. He used to get stuck in a do-or-die raid. Cubs have inflicted the all-out, and that's why, Navneet, they have... See, now, that is why I always keep saying, you know, in the division matches, if Oh, that's a strong ankle hold. Harbeer Singh outside the back line.
1 point.
The ankle hold
Jaipur Pink Cups.
just came in at lightning speed. And it just did not even get into the raid, was Manpreet Pradeep, isn't it? He just did not even cross the back line. Outside the back line, that was definitely India one-star moment of the match. And now tell me, I don't give constructive criticism. Come on. See, time and again. How many times should I prove it? Saying, okay, come on, this is what it is. Sahil Satpal, don't go on a do-or-die raid.
1 point. Warriors KC.
It was very advanced on the tackle here from the right cover. That was one experience with the partner. The other experience with a partner is, of course, I will probably request our team to probably clip this commentary piece or the storytelling piece and give it to the, the partners. They'll be really happy to
Bonus
partner
point.
with us.
Jaipur
Bonus,
Pink
yes.
Cups. Red out, 1
Priyank
point.
Singh
Warriors KC.
attempts that ankle hold, but the dash was really important. The assist. Hayat plays situated in that locality. And I'm very sure the marketing team, the partner
1 point.
hunting
Warriors
team
KC.
will be really
Jersey
happy
number
with
33
these
out.
stories. Nice kick on Dipanshu Khatri on that right corner. And goes in. Running
time
kick. Lovely execution. Yeah, but I'll also tell you what, this is going to be very tough for Yogesh to get a touch point. It's not easy. They will give him a bonus, and only if the left cover does not commit any error, they will get the all-out. Brilliant! I told left cover. Left cover came in with a dash. Sent him out.
Number 15,
Deep
wait.
Sharma gets a
Number
tackle
15,
point.
please.
All-out inflicted. Navneet,
Raider.
second all-out.
अभी इंजन
Bonus
गरम
point.
है.
Jaipur
Yeah.
Pink Cups. Red
Yeah.
out. 1 plus 2 3 points.
Now
Warriors
that number
KC.
makes a lot of
All out.
sense. Can we
Jaipur
have that
Pink Cups.
number as well on our screens as the all-out has been inflicted? That is a good remembrance now from you, Navneet. You and numbers, yeah, they are good friends, I know. Yeah, bonus, yes, and Deep Sharma, wonderful work.
Substitutions.
So yeah,
Jaipur Pink
that
Cups.
raid strike rate
11 out,
number that you're talking
4
about
in.
of the Warriors KC now needs to be coming on.
बयां करती है और मुझे बहुत सारे डेटा दिखाए गए, डेटा पॉइंट युवा कबड्डी, युवा ऑल स्टार चैंपियनशिप में एक खिलाड़ी वो जो 9 बॉक्सेस में कहाँ पॉइंट लाते हैं वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, और ये जो मिनट्स वाला है ये भी बहुत पसंद है, और ये अंदाज ये भी बहुत पसंद है.
Let us say 2 points. Jaipur Pink
How
Cups.
did he do that?
Jersey number 15 and 5 out.
My God, that thinking ability on his toes, that is what it is. Anil Singh, after getting the Super 10 in this match, look at that thinking on the toes. He uses his toes to cross over. Boom. Just strongly places his left leg.
मनप्रीत के 5 पॉइंट इस मैच में 31 और 25 का स्कोर 7.5 मिनट पे खेल पुनीत कुमार फिर से आए हैं यहाँ रेड लगाने के लिए, और पीठ दिखाया था, लेकिन
Warriors KC.
कोई साथ
Jersey
नहीं
number
मिला
2 out.
डिफेंस में यहाँ पर.
Should be Sahil Satpal. Don't give away points to Sahil Satpal. That's all he's very clearly told, and this is what Manpreet Pradeep has done. See, as I said, 5 raid points. That's come in the second half. That's the 6th one. 0 raid points in the first half,
1 point.
and the 6th one in the
Warriors
second half.
KC.
Well,
Jersey number 3
if
out.
this goes the Warriors' KC way, it's going to be Manpreet Pradeep. Appreciate our data partners, Kadamba there, the team of Kadamba, of course, managed very nicely by our assistant producer there, Tanmay. Thank you so much, guys. That is what we need. See, Pradeep, Manpreet Pradeep doing so much wonders, and a couple of points. Come on.
Let us say
If Warriors lose
bonus
this,
plus
it's going to
2
be
points.
their defense.
Jaipur Pink Cups.
Super raid.
Jersey number 3 and
A
15
definite
out.
India one-star moment of the match here from Anil Singh.
देखिए फिर से यहाँ पे, जी हाँ,
Yeah, Navneet, that right corner ankle hold was not needed. Yeah, India one-star moment. When Parvinder Bura was killing the clock, they wanted Manpreet Pradeep to go in. Very good decision. And that decision definitely came in from Yash Malik, the captain. Yash Malik pulled Rachit Yadav back because Manpreet has the momentum. He can go in and he can get you points. Is it bonus plus one? No, it is only one, but still matters. 7th rate point in the second half. That was. Rachit Yadav went in with an unsettled defense of the Cubs. The Cubs were in a group discussing something. Rachit Yadav does brilliantly well. 2 points. That's light up this match. India won star moment of the match. Definitely for the thinking of Rachit Yadav. What were the Cubs thinking? What were they doing? Standing in a group discussing something. Probably asking for a timeout or something. We will want to see the raid from the beginning of it. From the beginning of it. Yeah, there. Look at this. They were... I don't know what. What were they doing?
They were having a green tea. Green tea period.
Pinks can't have a green tea. Come on. The tackle strike rate also when the Cubs are with 3 defenders. Yeah, there you go. This is what I was talking about. Wow. Nice. Ease my trip.
2 points.
Super tackle.
Pink Cubs.
This is really good from Dipanshu Khatri. Important time. They've got the man who's done all the damage in the second half. Manpreet Pradeep. I would want to know what is the super tackle numbers during the last few minutes of the all out. And Praveen says, okay, try it. I'll tell you what, in the last 10 minutes, only 1 super tackle that's coming from Dipanshu Khatri. In the entire edition, probably here for the Cubs. That's come at the right time. 2 points. Rachit Yadav. Brilliant work. He got 2. And he's got 2 important ones. Sahil Deshwal. And
Review unsuccessful.
yeah, only 2.
Warriors
Only
KC.
2.
Warriors KC.
Now I'll tell you what.
Over, no more reviews.
Yeah, review's over. 30 seconds only left. Navneet. And they'll have to go in, Anil Singh, and kill the clock. Only 2 points. They'll have to kill the clock. Oh, come on. What was I even saying? It's a 2-order raid. Even if they don't get a point, I think the Cubs have taken the revenge. It's going to be 36-38. They have not got a good day in the 2-order raids today, Navneet. What a way to end this match.
And he can enter and take a bonus point. तो 1-1 हो जाएगा. आप बोनस भी ले लोगे, आउट भी हो जाएगा, तो डिफरेंस 3 का बना रहेगा.
Correct. Hang on.
Number 20.
The clock
Number 20.
was
20, Raider,
still running in.
2 सेकंड शायद बचा था.
1 point each. Raider out. One
Correct.
defender also out of bound.
No
That's
bonus.
Number 12 out.
So no bonus. So
Wait. Number 20.
where is Rachit Yadav? Yeah, it should be Yash Malik. Come on. Yash Malik, go out. It is not Rachit Yadav. Yeah, perfect. But the clock has run off. That's it. And the match has been concluded where the Jaipur Pink Cubs have come out there, all guns blazing in the revenge match. And they have
36-39. ये पॉइंट का डिफरेंस है.
The hospitality partners is Yashil Hotel, Hyatt Place. Travel reward partner is Ease My Trip. Trusted ATM partner is India One. Official physio partner is Science Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences. Pradhan Times is our local news media partner, and Bhumanand Hospital is the official medical partner. Of course, all this streaming to you live and exclusive on Fan Code of the UA All-Star Championship 2025.